Number 1. Astrocytes. Structure. They are star-shaped cells with multiple processes. They are the most abundant glial cells in the central nervous system. Functions. They perform the following functions: support and repair. They provide physical and metabolic support to neurons. Blood-brain barrier. They help maintain the blood-brain barrier by regulating substances entering the central nervous system. Neurotransmitter regulation. They remove excess neurotransmitters from synaptic clefts. Ion balance. They maintain extracellular ion homeostasis, especially potassium. Scar formation. They form glial scars after central nervous system injuries. Clinical relevance. Astrocytomas are tumors, derived from astrocytes. Number 2. Oligodendrocytes. Structure. They are small cells with fewer processes than astrocytes. They are found in white and gray matter. Functions. They perform following functions. Myelination. They form the myelin sheath around multiple axons in the central nervous system. This increases signal conduction speed through saltatory conduction. Clinical relevance. They are affected in multiple sclerosis, leading to demyelination in the central nervous system.